Hi everybody.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Sean Berquist.
Hi, Inez here with Heal the Bay.
I got my box here. I'm really excited to open it.
My name is Emily Parker. I'm a staff scientist with Heal the Bay, and I just got this in the mail.
You know, last September, we participated in a beach cleanup with Heal the Bay. When you first go out, it looks actually quite clean, but when you get out there and you really start to look closely, you'll see that the beach is actually littered with just tons and tons of little tiny pieces of paper and plastic. And we thought to ourselves, we said, well, what can we do about this? If anybody has ever snorkeled or dived in the waters off Southern California, one of the things that you'll realize is that as beautiful a place as Southern California is, what's under it is actually even more spectacular and more beautiful. One of the most recognizable and iconic animals that lives in the bay is called the orange Garibaldi. And so really what we did is we just took really the most recognizable and iconic animal here in the Santa Monica Bay, and we combined it with our most recognizable and iconic sneaker, the Classic, and we built an orange Garibaldi Classic for this second product collaboration with Heal the Bay.
Oh, whoa! They're orange! I was not expecting that. That is cool.
So here's what we're looking at inside. And as you can already tell, they are bright orange. These shoes are so cool. Take a look at these.
More K-Swiss and Heal the Bay here. We have our fish embroidered on the back, which looks great. We have a K-Swiss logo on the bottom too.
And also, I don't know if you can see this, but there's a scale design on the whole shoe.
Thank you for your purchase. All proceeds of this shoe are used to support Heal the Bay.
Even the hang tags on these are sustainable and eco-friendly, and there's a little note on here from Heal the Bay thanking people for buying these shoes to support the work that I do and the other amazing staff at Heal the Bay work on to keep our coastal waters and watersheds healthy, safe, and clean. So can't wait to wear these to our next beach cleanup and our next outreach event. They're awesome. So thanks, K-Swiss.